Winnie the Pooh by A. Milne.
Chapter 1. Winnie the Pooh and His Friends. This is a story about a bear. His name is Winnie the Pooh, or just Pooh. He lives in a house in a big forest. Pooh is kind, funny, and a little silly. He wears a red shirt and no pants. His favorite food is honey. Pooh has many friends. Christopher Robin, a kind boy who loves all the animals. Piglet, a very small pig. He is shy but very brave inside. Eyore, a gray donkey. He is often sad and says, "Thanks for noticing me." Tigger, a tiger who likes to bounce. He says, "Bouncing is what tigers do best." Rabbit, smart and serious. He likes his garden clean. Owl, he thinks he is very wise. He talks a lot. Kanga, a gentle mother. Roo, Kanga's baby. He is full of energy. They all live together in the 100 Acre Wood. Chapter 2. Pooh and the Honey Tree. One day, Pooh is very hungry. He says, "I would like a little something, maybe some honey." Pooh looks in his cupboard. No honey. He looks in his pots. Still no honey. "I will find honey in the forest," he says. Pooh sees a bee flying in the air. "Bees make honey," he says. He follows the bee to a tree. Pooh looks up. He sees a big beehive. He smells the sweet honey. "I will climb this tree," he says. He climbs up slowly. But Pooh is a little heavy. The branch breaks. Crack! Pooh falls down. Boom! "Ouch!" says Pooh. "That did not go well." He has another idea. He gets a blue balloon from Christopher Robin. "I will float up like a cloud," Pooh says. He holds the balloon and goes up into the sky. He sings, "I'm just a little black rain cloud." But the bees are not fooled. They are angry and buzz around him. Pooh says, "Christopher Robin, help me!" Pooh lets go of the balloon and falls again. Still no honey. Chapter 3. Pooh gets stuck. Pooh is still hungry. He visits his friend Rabbit. "Hello, Rabbit. May I have a little food?" Rabbit says, "Come in, Pooh. You are always welcome." Pooh sits down and eats. He eats carrots, cookies, and lots of honey. He eats so much that his tummy grows very big. When it's time to leave, Pooh tries to go out the front door. But oh no, he is stuck. His tummy is too big. Rabbit pushes. Pooh does not move. Rabbit pulls. Pooh does not move. "You must stay here," says Rabbit. Christopher Robin comes. He says, "Pooh, you ate too much. Now you must wait. No food for 1 week." Pooh is sad, but he waits. Every day his friends visit him. They read stories, they bring flowers, they tell jokes and make Pooh laugh. After a week, Pooh is thinner. Christopher Robin says, "Let's try again." Rabbit, Piglet, Eyore, and Roo pull. 1, 2, 3, pop! Pooh flies out of the door. He is free. Chapter 4. Eyore loses his tail. One morning, Eyore is very sad. He says, "I think I lost my tail." Pooh says, "Let's look for it." They look under trees, in the river, and in Rabbit's house. No tail. Then they visit Owl. Pooh sees something strange. There is a tail on Owl's bell rope. Owl, "That's not a bell rope," says Pooh. "It's Eeyore's tail." "Oh dear," says Owl. "I didn't know." They take the tail back to Eyore. Christopher Robin nails it back on. Eyore says, "Thanks for noticing me." He is happy again. Chapter 5. A New Friend, Tigger. One night, Pooh hears a bounce outside. He opens the door. A strange animal jumps in. "Hello, I'm Tigger," says the animal. Pooh says, "Hello, Tigger. Do you like honey?" Tigger tries honey, but makes a face. "Yuck! I don't like honey." In the morning, Pooh takes Tigger to meet the others. Tigger bounces into Rabbit's garden. He makes a mess. Rabbit is not happy. "Let's lose Tigger," says Rabbit. So Rabbit, Pooh, and Piglet walk with Tigger in the forest. Then Rabbit hides. But Tigger is not lost. Rabbit gets lost. Later, Tigger helps them find Rabbit. Now everyone is friends again. Chapter 6. A Party for Pooh. One day, Christopher Robin says, "We must have a party." "A party?" says Pooh. "Why?" "Because you are a good friend, Pooh. You helped Eyore, you helped Rabbit, and you always try your best." Pooh smiles. His heart is happy. Everyone comes to the party. There are balloons, dames, and lots of food. Even Eyore smiles a little. Pooh eats honey. Piglet gives him a big hug. Tigger bounces around the table. "Thank you," says Pooh. "I love you all." Chapter 7. The End. Or maybe just the beginning. The 100 Acre Wood is a happy place. Pooh and his friends play, laugh, and help each other. Pooh says, "A day with a friend is always a good day." And Christopher Robin says, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." And they all live happily in their little forest, forever friends. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe, give it a little like, and share it with your friends. And tell me in the comments, who's your favorite character in Winnie the Pooh and why? See you in the next one.
So complete.